Hello students, in this class I will discuss one important question from the lesson Indigo which came in HS 2014. Describe the efforts made by R.K. Shukla to persuade Gandhi to go to Champaran. Now R.K. Shukla, the poor and emaciated farmer from Champaran, played a pivotal role in constructing the gigantic mass movement of Champaran because he was the one who persuaded Gandhiji to come to Champaran, and it was on his earnest request that Gandhiji visited Champaran and sought justice for the peasants of Champaran. So in the Champaran district of Bihar, the peasants or the sharecroppers were forced by the European planters or the British planters to grow indigo, a blue dye, a profitable crop at that point of time, and these imposed on the sharecroppers untold sufferings because they couldn't grow the food they needed. Moreover, they didn't receive adequate payment for the indigo as they had to surrender the entire indigo harvesters land. Now, this resentment surrounding indigo cultivation compelled Rajkumar Shukla to visit the Lucknow session of the Indian National Congress in December 1916. And when somebody told him to meet Gandhiji, he went to the latter and personally requested him to visit Champaran and witness the miseries of the sharecroppers there. Initially, Gandhi seemed unimpressed by the proposal made by Rajkumar Shukla, and he clearly stated that he had other places to visit. From Lucknow, Gandhiji went to Kanpur. Shukla followed him there, and then when Gandhi went to his ashram in Ahmedabad, the ever-present Shukla was there too in Ahmedabad. And Gandhiji was very much impressed with Shukla's patience and strong will, and therefore he promised to meet him at Calcutta on an appointed date. But even before Gandhi reached Calcutta, Rajkumar Shukla had gone and established himself there. So thus this ignorant, unsophisticated but resolute agriculturalist captured Gandhi's attention. And Gandhiji was so much impressed by his tenacity, his resoluteness and his doggedness that he decided to visit his district, Champaran. Later, when Gandhi went to Champaran and started to make his inquiries about the sharecroppers' cases, it was proved that whatever Shukla had said was actually true about the sharecroppers' cases, that the sharecroppers were actually exploited by the British landlords, the European planters, and therefore Gandhi decided to stay there and make a detailed inquiry before deciding on a course of action. And in this particular case, he was assisted by eminent lawyers like Briskishore Babu and Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Later on, Gandhiji was successful in getting justice for the sharecroppers of Champaran. So all this clearly depicted it was Shukla, it was Rajkumar Shukla's resoluteness, his undying stubborn persistence, his doggedness, or his ability to never give up that made Gandhi reach the land of Champaran for Satyagraha. So therefore, R.K. Shukla made and Rajkumar Shukla made efforts in bringing Gandhiji to the land of Champaran for Satyagraha.